artist, you want to know the secret to getting great bird photography photos? It's real simple. Just set up a bird feeder in your backyard and set it up so it's no further than 20 to 30 feet from your back window. You'll soon have all the little songbirds that you need for painting and practicing your art. It won't cost you no more than bird feed and a little bird feeder. I picked up this bird feeder at Dollar General for $10, and the bird seed cost me $20 or $20 for 20 pounds. You don't have to worry about copyright at all, and you'll have colorful photos of cardinals, finches, and other birds. Probably even annoying squirrels.